Good morning, everyone. My name is Giselle Concepcion. I'm a second year majoring in political science in the Honors College, and I'm a scholar assistant, and I will be taking you on a day in the life with me today. So I'm going to be sharing a little bit more what it's like to be a scholar assistant at Honors College and a little bit more about myself. So I'm so excited for you all to come along. So I just finished my program committee meeting, which is where I basically act as a liaison for the scholar assistant team and other students to share what we're doing with programming in the college. And now I'm going to head to the hub to grab something to eat before my next meeting. So I'm in the hub, which is our student union building on campus where students come to just eat and talk and hang out and do homework during the day. I was able to pick up some lunch from Blue Burrito, which is in the food court downstairs. I got a little burrito bowl, and I will be just taking a Zoom call really quickly. I'm currently on our third floor. I'm in the UPUA steering room, which is part of the UPUA offices, which I'll show later and talk a little bit more about my involvements. So I just did a few hours of homework and now I'm heading to my next class. But on my way there, I'd love to tell you a little bit more about myself. So I'm from Rutherford, New Jersey, which is really north, close to New York City. Outside of being a scholar assistant, I am also in UPUA, like I previously mentioned. I'm currently our chair of governmental affairs, where I do a lot of work regarding civic and community engagement, working just with voter registration, different efforts with Advocate Penn State, and other really important things. I was also the co-founder and external president of the League of Women Voters at Penn State, which is surrounding similar things in terms of voter registration and engagement. So I'm heading to my next class of the day, my final class, which is a cross-section of women's studies and international development, and it's focusing on gender in the international development space. I really like this class. It's discussion-based. It's very small. I'm currently in a League of Women Voters Pennsylvania bylaws meeting, which is something that I have taken on since my fellowship over the summer, and I'm helping out with. I am taking this meeting from the Simmons Globe Lounge, so I just wanted to show you all what it looks like. So after finishing that meeting, I just went quickly and got changed because I have a meeting later tonight that is business casual as a dress code, but I'm currently heading to Boucke Building for a meeting with Students United Against Poverty, which is an organization I've been a part of since my freshman year, and we essentially advocate for the university to help students with basic needs, and we're doing a lot of really great things this semester. So yeah, I'll show you a little bit more once I get there.
Of that orientation session, and once that orientation.
So I just finished up my meeting and I picked up some Sbarro for dinner from downstairs and I'm doing homework with a friend. Now I'm just checking in with the essay team really quickly. We do this every week on Wednesday at 6:30 and I just want them to say hi.
Hi.
Hello. I'm headed to my last meeting of the day, which is UPUA's General Assembly, where we basically kind of culminates in all the business we do during the week, and I'll show you all a little bit more when I get inside. Finished the last General Assembly of the 17th. This is Sanjana, my roommate from last year, but also my friend, and she lives next to me, so now we're gonna walk home. Yay. And this really concludes my day. Bye, y'all.